Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am collaborating with Hair Food to share my top 5 tips and tricks for keeping my hair fresh. So let's get right into it. Tip number 1, sleeping with a satin pillowcase and a satin bonnet. This does wonders for retaining moisture and avoiding breakage while you're sleeping. It's also a great way to maximize your hairstyles so you're not overwashing and restyling more than necessary. Tip number 2, moisturize between styling. Anytime my hair looks a little on the dry side, which is often when I'm rocking that mom bun in the week, I will try to refresh with more than just water. From the Hair Food line, I'll use the Mango and Aloe Curl Refreshing Spray. And this is perfect for minimizing frizz and redefining curls. So I often touch up the front of my hair and then I'll just have my hair in that messy bun, but I'll spray it so at least it's moisturized. It's super nourishing with no sulfates, parabens, or dyes. Now, when I want to do a full-on refresh with my curls out, I like to put some water in a spray bottle and create a bit of a leave-in conditioner using the Mango and Aloe Curl Define Conditioner. For me, it's a quick way to refresh and rock a wash and go. I just let it air dry before I actually do a full-on wash day. Tip number 3, protective styling with nourishing products. So one of my quick and easy protective styles incorporates a nutrient-rich oil from Hair Food. It is the avocado and argan oil, and I like to use this on my extensions to make it look super sleek. And then, of course, I put it on my natural hair. I will brush it through lightly, but I mostly focus on the ends of my hair, which is obviously the oldest part of my hair and the most fragile. So I will make sure that my ends are saturated. Then I will do a braid and wrap and tuck my hair underneath the extensions. I make sure that I leave it somewhat loose. I don't want it too tight because you don't want any extra friction or, you don't want any breakage. That's the whole point of protective styling. I love this because it's super chic, super easy, and I know my hair is being nourished in the process. Tip number 4, stay hydrated from the inside out for fresh looking hair. It's true what they say. I know it's cliche, but you are what you eat. And if you want your hair to look fresh and grow healthy, you must stay hydrated. Drinking water has so many benefits, including keeping your scalp healthy, which is how you're going to grow that healthy hair. On top of that, healthy foods in your daily routine can do wonders for the way that your hair looks and feels. And tip number 5, deep conditioning once a week. I had to end with one of the quickest ways to see an impact with your hair health, and that is deep conditioning. Now, everyone's wash schedule will differ based on hair texture and needs, but for me, I find that deep conditioning once a week has really helped with the overall look of my curls. One of my favorite hair masks from Hair Food is the avocado and argan oil mask. I keep it on for about 5 minutes under a shower cap, and then I continue with my regular wash routine. I love the blend of ingredients, and it really helps to improve the shine in my hair and the curl definition. So I hope you enjoyed this video with my 5 tips for keeping my curls looking fresh. Definitely check out more about Hair Food down below in my description. Thank you for collaborating with me on this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.